Unannounced OnePlus TV, remote spotted on Bluetooth SIG site. A alleged new model of the OnePlus TV and a new OnePlus remote were spotted on the Bluetooth SIG website. The OnePlus TV is listed with model number 55UA0A00, while the remote is listed with model number RC003A. This suggests that OnePlus is already working on a new OnePlus TV model, just months after unveiling its first TV range in India. The company unveiled Android TV-based OnePlus TV Q1 and OnePlus TV Q1 Pro in the country last September. The upcoming OnePlus TV model has been listed on Bluetooth SIG with model number 55UA0A00 and it is said to come with support for Bluetooth V5. The model number suggests that the TV may have a 55-inch panel. Similarly, the OnePlus remote control has a model number RC003A and it is listed with Bluetooth V4.2. The listings give out no other details of the remote or the next-gen OnePlus TV. Both the listings were spotted first by 9to5 Google. While the Bluetooth certification is no indication that the launch is near, it does suggest that OnePlus is working on a new OnePlus TV model. Also, it is weird to see the remote support only Bluetooth 4.2 when the leaked TV itself can support Bluetooth 5.0. If we are to speculate, the new OnePlus TV will be powered by an upgraded MediaTek processor than the MediaTek MT5670 chipset found on the OnePlus TV Q1 and OnePlus TV Q1 Pro. To recall, OnePlus TV Q1 and OnePlus TV Q1 Pro are priced at $920.02 69,900 rupees and $1,314.88 99,900 rupees, respectively. Both variants of the OnePlus TV feature 55-inch 4K resolution QLED panels and have the Gamma Magic Color picture processor that is said to enhance picture quality. The Android TV models have a Kevlar-like finish at the back, and come with a unique stand design. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.